Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a payment option in your WordPress site. So for this, what you need to do is simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply go to the browser, then you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then simply click on enter. After that, you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you're there, you have to just simply click on the pages icon here in the left hand side. And once you click on the pages icon, you will get the option of add page here. You have to just simply click on add page, and from here it will simply take you to a tab where you will get a blank page that you can simply edit. And from here, let's say I'd like to go for a payment option. From here you can see the payment option from here. And now if you'd like to click on the plus icon, from here you have to just simply type in payment option from here, and just simply type in the payment, and here you can see I have already got the payment option, and just simply place it to the place that you would like to place it. And here you can see you have already got the payment option from here. After that, you have to just simply click on the publish icon here in the top navigation bar, and here you can see we have already integrated the payment system with our WordPress site. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.